Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the first day of August in the year 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.38. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 4.16%. This results in an average loss of 1.39% for each day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 24.46% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 24.46% to 46.14%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 15.02% over the next year, with a potential return varying from negative 4.35% to 30.01%. This translates to a price range of approximately $200.16 to $272.08 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Red Day on Monday for Apple. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, the Apple stock price experienced a decline of approximately 4.82%. dropping from $219.86 to $209.27. Throughout that trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 8.8%, with a low of $196.21 and a high of $213.47. Although the stock has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains down by 6.56% over this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 21 million shares, despite the falling prices, which could signal a potential risk increase in the coming days. In total, 117 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $24.57 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $237.23. while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 11.79%, or $27.96, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. has faced significant pressure recently, with its stock plunging notably after Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway reduced its stake by nearly half. This move indicates a shift in investor sentiment, reflecting broader concerns about economic conditions. Buffett's actions often serve as a barometer for market trends, and this reduction could signal a lack of confidence in Apple's near-term growth potential, leading to short-term volatility. Compounding this issue, the ongoing antitrust developments surrounding Google have significant implications for Apple. A recent ruling found that Google's agreements with Apple have anti-competitive effects. While this may initially seem beneficial to Apple, it introduces uncertainty regarding future revenue streams tied to Google's search functionalities on Apple devices. If Google loses its status as the default search engine, the potential loss of $30 billion could lead to aggressive competition, impacting Apple's advertising revenue. In the short term, these developments could lead to increased selling pressure on Apple's stock as investors reassess their positions amid market turbulence. In the long term, however, If Apple navigates these challenges effectively and aligns its strategic partnerships, there could be opportunities for recovery and growth. Investors will closely watch how Apple responds to these pressures, as well as the outcomes of ongoing antitrust cases, which could reshape the competitive landscape in the tech sector. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AAPL a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank provided AAPL with a sector weight rating and also recommended a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Piper Sandler rated AAPL as neutral, coupled with a hold action. Citigroup also reported on that date, giving AAPL a buy rating with a hold action. Lastly, Wedbush rated AAPL as outperform, recommending a hold action on that same day. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical indicators. The Apple stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average situated above the short-term one. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $217.80 and $220.13. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 10.88%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 53 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $207.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. This stock demonstrates average daily movements, and with adequate trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $17.26 between its high and low points, which is an 8.80% change. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.85%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively normal PE ratio, commonly observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.58. It is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $213.07. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $207.49. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of May, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2024, Chris Kondo sold 4,999 shares of common stock. On the 10th of May, 2024, Catherine L. Adams sold 1,850 shares of common stock. On the 15th of April, 2024, Chris Kondo bought 8,119 shares of common stock. On the 15th of April, 2024, Chris Kondo sold 3,120 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 22.519. In total, insiders purchased 1,927,641 shares and sold 3,023,394 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock presents several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Apple will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of August, we expect Apple to open down $2.95, starting at $206.32. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor prior to making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.